Your genius is kinda crazy, but you don't think I mean this. You feel